guys, welcome back to my channel Karishma's classes. In this class we're going to see the arithmetic ability related more questions. So in this series of the arithmetic ability I am showing you different types of the patterns of the questions that are coming in the competitive exams and how we can solve that questions in the easy way. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the video so that it can be helpful for the others also. So let's get started. In this it's some unique question. See what is saying is, read the following information given below and answer the following questions that follow. A multiplied by B means A and B are of the same size, same age means, okay, means this multiplication means they are of the same age. Next, A minus B means B is younger than A, means B who has the minus sign, that is younger than A. Next, A plus B means A is younger than B, means here the A is younger than B. Okay, so here it is given x plus y plus z, that is same as, means see here it is given some series like y is the, here is given some series. In that series, see, if it is given x plus y plus z, that means x is younger than y, okay, y plus z means y is younger than z and y is younger than z, means z is younger than y and x means z is bigger. Next, it's older than y and y is older than x, that means x is the first means first person who is more younger. Next, y is younger than x and x and y x is younger than, y is younger than z. So here this sequence is following like this. So the answer that will be z, y and x. Like we can say this is x, this is y and this is z. So here x is younger than y means x is smaller child, like we can say that like that. Now y is younger than z, that means y is smaller child than z. So if you write in this sequence like z and then y and then x, that means z is the bigger one, then y is the bigger one, then x is the bigger one, like this. So our answer that would be z minus y minus x. See, now I will show you another question. The question that is, if in the certain language ITNIE TAM, that is code for the I and IT MATE middle initiate, which word that has the code TREBNIE TARBI. Now see, here there are given some options like invertebrate, invertebrata, and like this it has given some options like we have to decode this one. Means if initiate we are writing the code like this, then what will be the code for the what is the code for this one? See, now in this initiate, how we are seeing this, we are dividing it in the two parts. First there is INIT and second there is MATE. Now if we are seeing, it is it is just shuffling the characters. Now see, this I, that is the first one, this T is the second one, this N is the third one, and it's the I in the fourth one. See here in the mate also, this M is the last one, A is the last second, and then E is the first one, and T is the first second. So now for this, if we'll divide it into two parts, how many words are the characters are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 12 characters. So we'll divide into two parts. That is, we'll divide into two parts. It is 6 and 6. Now we'll try to decode that one. See, this is I, that will be the first one. This next N, that will be second one. B, that will be third one. E, that will be fourth. R, that will be fifth, and then T, it will be sixth. Now is the from the last 6 words. See, I, that will be first one, B, that will be second, R, that will be third, I, that will be fourth, T, fifth, E, that is sixth one. So our answer that will be invertebrate, that will be the answer. There is the option. Which one? Fourth one. INVARTIBRETA. Here it is BRATE. That means this one, this will be the answer, the second one. Let's see then the question. See, in ICET related questions, I saw this type of the questions. These are the related to the like AB and then ratio, double ratio, and then double two things. In that, what is the concept in this? I will show you. See, this will be related to this one, and in the same way how this is related to the another one, we have to show that one in this. It is the reason SFB TPO, it is the code as, and after think it will be coded like that. See, reason. Okay, R S E F A B S T O P and O means only plus 1 it's going. So for the think also we can say like T plus 1 U, H plus 1 I plus 1 J, N plus 1 O and TK plus 1 N. So the answer that will be U I J O L. That will be the first option. I hope you understood the questions. If you have any other doubts, you can write in the comment box. I will answer your questions. Let's see another question. Next question, that is this one. Find the odd one out. Odd one out means which series it's not following that pattern that all the questions, all the options that are following. So we have to find first of all the pattern. So let's find out the pattern. This is D, E, this is H and this is G. We'll write first all the letters R, S and then V, U, then J, K, N and M. Next it is L, M and then Q and P. First we'll see what are the difference between these letters D and E. Okay, D and E it is plus 1. Okay, so here we'll write like this, it is plus 1. E and H, E 1 2 3, it is H means plus 3, it is difference is. Now H and G means it is minus 1. See, here it is H and here it is G, it is minus 1. So here the difference, that is minus 1. Now let's see for the other values also. R and S, this is R and S means plus 1. Next S and V, S 1 2 3 means plus 3 like the above it has, and then V and U means V minus 1, it is U. So here also it is the same way. It is the plus 1, here is the plus 3 and here it is the minus 1. Means it is following this pattern, and in the all the options it should follow that same pattern. K, J, K, N and M we will see. Here it is J minus 1, J plus 1 K. Next to K plus 3 it will be N, N minus 1 it will be N. So J, K, N, M it is. Here also it is following the same pattern like plus 1. Here it is following plus 3, here it is following minus 1. Okay. Now L, M means here it is going the plus 1. Here it is M and Q. So here it is M and Q. Q means it is coming here. M 1 2 3 4 means minus plus 4 it is. Here it is plus 4 and Q and P means here it is the Q and here it is P means it is minus 1 means. So in the fourth option it is following the pattern 1, 9 plus 1 plus 4 and minus 1. That means this one is the odd one from this question. So this one will be the odd one. So let's go to another question. See, here is another pattern of the question. Here in the question it is saying if the first and third letters are in the group distribution. Means this is the distribution group. It is saying about first and third letter. It is are interchange, means will interchange means here it will become S and here it will become D. Okay. Next also the second and the fourth letter. This is the second letter, this is the fourth letter, will interchange this one, it will become big T and it will become I. And also this the fifth and the seventh and so on. Means now it is fifth, this is seventh, will interchange this one. So like this it is saying if we will interchange like this, then from the left one what will be the seventh letter, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is R. Our answer, that is R. See, what we did is we said interchange the letters, we interchanged the letters and we got the answer. This is R, we got the answer. So like this you have to solve this type of the questions. Let's see another question. Let's see another question. This is the question, find the missing of the following series. Now in this question we have to find the missing words. So we wrote all these letters that it gave. Now first we will see here D plus 1, it is C. Now how this X and W came, let's see through this table. What is C's X? I mean C's X, that is reverse, that is X. D's reverse is W. And it gave here the same value. That means this is the reverse of the C. And this, this W is the reverse of the X. D. Okay. Now H plus 1, that is G. And G's reverse, that is T. And H reverse, that is S. See. G's reverse is T and H's reverse is S. Okay. Now if you see, now we have to find the missing letter between these. Now let's find about this one, D and H, how it's coming. This is D, 1 2 3 4 means plus 4 we are getting H. Now we have to find the missing word, means plus 4 if we will try. Okay, H 1 2 3 4, that is we'll get L. L plus 4, 1 2 3 4, that is P. and the next letter is P. That means here it will start from L. Now we'll do here L plus 1, L, M. Okay, so we'll get here M. Now what will be the reverse of the M? Here C, reverse of the M, that is N, and reverse of the L, that is O. So here we will get L, M. I mean M's reverse is N, L's reverse is O, then we got here the N and O. So L, M and O, that is the correct answer. Wait, sorry, here we did some mistake. Let's go again. Here it is not going the plus 1, here it is going minus 1, which D minus 1, that is C, and then H minus 1, that is G, and L minus 1, that will be here, it will be K. Here this O is correct, but this L, N, instead of this M, what we'll get is C here, K. K, where it is K? K is reverse, that is P. So here we'll get the option P. Okay, so here we'll get the option P. So our answer, that will be L, K, P and O. So from the here the option number 4, that will be our correct answer. So thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the video, and we'll see you into the next video. In that I will show you more different types of the patterns of the questions for the arithmetic ability and how you can solve that quickly in the quick way. So till that, goodbye. Thanks for watching.